Alright, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Getting a little warm over here in Delaware. Doing this fifth wheeler. Alright. I forgot the name of it, but there you go. We had to actually take one slide, overextend it, take all the facing off. That one right there. All the way. That was out by about that much out of its hole. Of course, we're putting LVP in. All right, we did all this back here. That's really looking good. Say so myself. This part's trimmed out. This part will be done tomorrow. He wants to save the bedroom to do for himself and his granddaughter or daughter, but I gotta still look at the slide, make sure it comes up. That we had to put the black trim in it. It's actually doing good. Looking nice. This is really done nice, really nice. Here, I'm gonna let the slide go out. Ready? I'll show you what I did. I was doing that Tiffin floor job and that black moon trim door. Watch, you'll see it. Look in the corner there, right there. See the black stuff? There you go. That raises this floor slide up so this don't scratch the floor all up. Now the other ones, we've been using this stuff. Okay, that's that one back there. That's a drop down floor, but this is a step up. All right, so we will reinforce this 1/2-inch plywood. Liquid nailed it down. That way it gives a better surface to grab onto and everything. Right there you go. So she's pretty good. Let's bring her in, because I don't want to bump my head on none of this. There you go. Coming in. It's working off inverter and battery power. It's doing really smooth. All that trim was off. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, that was just a short video. Oh man, that's on. I'm sorry about that. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Remember the motto, test not guess. Test has one S. That's a $1 sign. If you test, you learn, and you'll get it right. If you guess, it's double the dollar signs, double S's, double the dollar sign, triple the dollar sign sometimes, or what we call in this industry parts throwing. Alright, so some new stuff going on. We're going to start servicing junior techs that need, or even senior techs that need a little diagnostician helping. I'm going to have a website just for diagnostics. I am a master diagnostician. I've had my regular website where people, private owners of RVs, thousands of them, over the years have done very well. Some of them got rid of their RV. Heck, one of them's a magician, and he got a big old Monaco. He actually called me, "Hey, can you mind if I fix RVs?" Well, you got to make a living, so he actually does some work like that, and I still help him every now and then because he's been with me so long. So for you junior techs out there, or technicians that really want to learn how to troubleshoot, there's a video series on my Rvdiagnostic YouTube channel called MECP. Alright, how you spell mechanic? M-E-C-P. Mechanical, electrical, chemical, hydraulic, and pneumatic. The first 4 letters of mechanic are M-E-C-H. Mechanic. M-E-H-C, I'm sorry, whatever it is. Tired today. Now, P is for pneumatic, so if you watch that, you'll really get an understanding. Thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. And here, I'm going to show you this fiber here. So actually, it's built really good. I was impressed. Stone Ridge. I forgot what model, but it's a long one. All right. Once again, goodbye. Safe travels. May your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Thank you. Don't forget the school and the stay while you wait. Remember, I got 50 amp water and sewage. If you just need a night to stay over in your travels, I'm in Delaware. That's off of Route 13 between Route 1, 113, and 13. I'm over on the 13 side. It's on the peninsula. So to get to Virginia, you're going to go across the Virginia Bay Bridge Tunnel. It's a 27-mile bridge and tunnel system. That'll dump you off in Norfolk. Or you can go across the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and that gets you over on 95 corridor, where Baltimore and D.C. is. Thank you very much once again, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.